and gentlemen.
We're getting married.
How do you feel?
I don't know.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Now we're gonna kiss. Sorry, Jack, if that breaks your limit for kissing. I think this exceeds the law of the land.
Do it again.
Okay.
Love you.
Insert. Woo! And the rest is history, folks. Put that down on your calendars. Wes Reed out.